If you've ever needed to drop a PDF straight into Photoshop, you know it fights you. Here's the clean way to get any PDF into a Photoshop-ready PSD file. Say you've got a flyer, a poster, or a certificate as a PDF and you want to redesign it. Photoshop can be clumsy about opening PDFs directly, so instead, go to PDFEquips.com and open the PDF to PSD tool. Drop your PDF in. Now, this next part is the one that matters. You get two options, Basic and Premium. Basic gives you a lower quality render. Premium converts your pages at full high resolution so every detail stays crisp when you open it up to edit. Pick Premium. Then hit Convert PDF to PSD. Download the file, open it in Photoshop, and there's your design on the canvas, sharp and ready to work on. Paint over it, mask parts out, add new layers on top, and rebuild it however you want. Works in GIMP, Photopea, and Affinity Photo too, so you don't even need Photoshop to open it. Runs in the browser, nothing to install. PDFEquips has over 50 PDF tools in one place. Links in the bio.